CURRIE hits back, touting Maroon sovereignty. Accompong Chief Richard CURRIE has hit back at Prime Minister Andrew Holness, urging him to respect the human and indigenous rights of his people. In a post on his Instagram account on Sunday evening, January 9, CURRIE defended the sovereignty of the Maroons and suggested that Holness reflects on his stance. CURRIE asserted that Holness needs to be mindful of his position. The full statement reads as follows. We, the Maroon of the cockpit country, descendants of the first people of the archipelago now called Jamaica, would like to remind you of a few things. 1. Jamaica is not a unitary sovereign state. Elizabeth II of the House of Windsor is your queen and the sovereign. Jamaica is simply fully responsible in Elizabeth's Commonwealth per the legal language in the Charter for Jamaica. 2. You are a signatory to the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People. Please go read this, you are an intelligent man. 3. Jamaica has an extensive external debt and is constantly begging, so you rely on other sovereign nations. In other words, you are receiving funding from others, so please consider human and indigenous rights before you end up defunded as well. And 4. Jamaica as a government entity begged for independence, whereas the Maroons wage war to maintain theirs. Please be guided accordingly, the statement read.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!